Well, there is one issue with this car so far. Obviously the clutch is all fine, it drives all fine, but for some reason, watch this, ABS light's on. The ABS light is on. Now what could that possibly be? So perfectly fine on that side, and this one is totally and utterly shot, and I'm wondering why it's not working. Look at the state of this. Right, just come out the freezer, 24 hours. Right guys, that's a wrap. Wheel band's all done. All I've got to do now is just service it and we can sell it. There you go guys, finished. Inside. Looking good. New car guys, gotta guess what car it is. Hopefully next video will be showing you what I've actually gone and bought, and whether it's a lemon or a good car, we shall see.